I was just a little boy, you was just a little girl, playing in the sunshine, living in a world where you and I could be. I said that I love you and you said you love me too, swimming in the water under one canoe where you and I could be. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? My papa would never let me and my mama would never tell me about the birds and the bees, the flowers and the trees. My uncle only laughed and my auntie only cried. Tutu, she stay happy cause my sister stay up high. My brother, he stay cruising and checking out the chicks. Manuela boy, he not coming home for weeks. My cousin stay on Lolo, he smoked the Baka Lolo. Took him out of school, now we stay at Haliopono. Hawaiians in the sun, we used to live as one. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? I never brush my teeth and I never comb my hair. Puka in my pants, no more even underwear. We eat a loud and we eat the pico mango. I catch the opo palo, but my fishing lines they tango. Troubles with the cousins, I crack them in the face. I only pilikia, no shame you come this place. Lickings from the slipper, my mara pull my ear. Busted from my father when he caught me drinking beer. Checking out one chick, I never know was my cousin. 10 years later, now I stay her husband. Shaka out the window when I'm cruising down the road. Brother Bob Marley coming in from the cold. Surfing status school is what we used to do. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Wake up in the morning, we go kalu or a pig. Put 'em in the emo, in the puka when we dig. My Portuguese neighbor and my Japanese friend. My Filipino cousin, we go chicken fight again. We go pick opihi, and yeah, we pick the limo. We used to suck 'em up when we used to drink the primo. We poke the pakakui and the yellow white kole. How everybody likes that sweet, sweet okole. To name the keikis, they come into this world. Another junior boy and another honey girl. Hawaiians in the sun, we used to live as one. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Kapila was the music that we played. Losing our traditions as kupunas pass away. Hawaiians in the cell, some wish that they could tell. Olili Okalani and the kingdom that had fell.